So today we're going to be making French vanilla paste using Mech 3 products. So I'm going to go over some of the stuff that we're going to need to make it. Let's go over the tools first. So first we're going to need a measuring bucket like this one. We're going to need a spatula and a molding blender. Then let's talk about the products we need. So we're going to be using today Pan C100, which is a hot process base. But you don't have to worry if you don't have a pasteurizer. We also have the Pan F, which is a cold process. Then we're going to use our French vanilla paste, and then we're going to use our locally sourced milk from the corner store bodega. So today we're going to be using the Pan C100, and the recipe calls for every 1 liter of milk is going to be 100 grams of product. So we're going to be using 3 liters in our mixture today, so I already weighed out the 300 grams of product. And also for every 1 liter of milk is going to be 100 grams of sugar, which I already have weighed out 300 grams. And then on the Mech 3 paste, it's going to be 30 grams per kilo of base. So it's going to weigh out to a total of probably around 3 kilos. So I got you 90 grams of French vanilla paste. Okay, so now we're just going to add our last liter of milk to bring a total of 3 liters. Remember, locally sourced. So now we're going to take our sugar, 300 grams of sugar, and the mixture, 300 grams of Pan, and our 90 grams of French vanilla paste. Now we're going to take our emulsion blender, blend everything together. Now your mixture is done. So we have our pasteurizer and our batch freezer combo. So right now we're going to add our mixture to the pasteurizer. And we're going to hit start, and we're going to wait.